Kahil Farmers Union ni ke HFU kala rakhe ke Sngi Seng ke balai pau jongka ha ke khatlai tarik Jymmang hajar hapoh ha ke jingialang ke bala penlong Madan Malki Shillong. Ha ke ni ke jingrakhe lawan ban shim bynta lang da bun ngut ki Nongrep na kylleng ke jylla ha ke ba Nongialam ki Nongrep hapoh ke shatri ke Seng Uttar Pradesh Kisan Mazdoor Morcha badru balong o coordinator jong ke kynhun thmu penlong ain ya ke minimum support price ni MSP Sardar V M Singh ulalong ukongsan. Ledon ringkat ru Presiden Kahil Farmers Union Bah Commander Shangpliang ha ringkat kiwei de. Haba ai jingkren hakate ki jingialang V M Singh ula pensyai pajba ya ke jingdan kam ke minimum support price kaban ai ke jing mentoy ke babun ki Nongrep badru kabala ban kentiu ya ke gross domestic product GDP hakarihi barok kewei. Ulaya weru iki Nongrep ke jylla bakin penrung kertengi ladi ha ke kynhun ke bala klit du da u kenang baki rukin yo ekalat ban pensngau ya laki jing ha ki tendong skor Myntri Rangbah Duh ke Sorkar India Narendra Modi.
Maharashtra baganai Nongrep na kata jylla ngamnang ban kran ikatin khasi bat ngam la ban snuthu ikane katin nrai kadon kawai katin kabangila ban snuthu lo bat kata kane katin jong Nongrep wang isu kemen bamenta kum ki Nongrep ngilas dang ban ya teli kawai nakleng jung ula banjur bangidon kam bandon ya ka ai hakaba panla ban budor yakimar kibani hijupenmi yakaba kikot kata minimum support price ulong banak liang jungu ulalong tunggu MP mentala syukhau senam kenti ulami khmat ya jylla Maharashtra hangtai haka parliament bat haki jinglong no mikmat ki jongu kiladon palat shi hajar tuli ki ain ki bagane ka Sorkar India kala thau hanrei ompat don pa ka wei ka ain kaban ai jingmento yo Nongrep khamtam ha ka bayadei bat kane ka MSP ula amru bakadon yakimar kum ka diesel ha ka baka Sorkar India kala bo ba kata kador kamdei ban hier ya kata kador ban ngitip hi kinang kiu na kapor sya kapor kan ba ya kimarab jongi ban ulai nuksaru ya using labu dor da kinong khai bat kawanra ya ka jingdu nong yangi kum Nongrep ula omru bakan sadong ke jingialang kabahe hadelhi hauneu penai Oktober bat ukrpat ya Nongialam jong Kahil Farmers Union kat kibalai banwan bakin wan ban ya shim bynta ulong ru bahawai keladon kajing pen thut jong kamariang haba keladon ru kalan selai henrei uai khublei bat uong ba kani kajing wan kajong pi kalong kabor bat kajing ya teli ula banjur hi baka Sorkar India kadai ban penteri kambe ya kane ka minimum support price kabamut balada ki Nongrep ki rep yau no umar yau no jingthong shuai nuksa kalong arpo tingka uta umar ju ki Nongrep umdei ban hiar sika khat khandai lane khat pra tingka nrai udei ban long ya ka arpo tingka sajrong bat kata hi kadai bau kwae baka Sorkar India kadai ban menteri kam ya kata kahan ke bakiong ka minimum support price uang bakum bakalong menta ka Sorkar India ka kam baka don kata ka MSP hanrai kani kalong tang hakikot kisla hanrai kam chumdai satya kata kahan ke
That is why you are here today to celebrate your foundation day. I congratulate you all for coming here in large numbers in spite of the landslides, in spite of the problems that you faced and you're facing. And if each one goes and tells 10 people as to what happened today on the foundation day and what is the mission ahead, you will see whole of Meghalaya farmers will be in one grip. You have to only be united and go ahead. Hill Farmers Union will not just remain in Meghalaya but all over the northeastern states. I must thank each one of you. The moment we entered Meghalaya from Assam, from Guwahati, we were welcomed by a young girl, I wonder if she's here, and her friends at the Meghalaya border with bananas. It was very sweet. The bananas were sweet, but the gesture was sweeter. Then right now you see loads of vegetables, the garland of betel nuts. It's a tradition, it is something you've done on your own, and Hill Farmers Union, you will go a long way in whatever you want to achieve. You already started. Last year, you had Trinity, the girl amongst you, who got a Padam Shri. Remember that? She told me yesterday on the phone she wanted to come, but for some reason she couldn't come today. You started traditions. From Padam Shri you'll go higher. Take a stand. Go one step ahead and say, okay, fine. Hill Farmers Union will also give a member of parliament. Hill Farmers Union will also give a MLA from here. Go ahead. The field is yours. Go ahead, take it. You have young people, youngsters, who have the vision, who have the drive. They want to go ahead. Give them support. The biggest support that you can give in turn to every village, as Alphonse just said right now, we shared these things yesterday. Mr. Raju Shetty is a coordinator from Maharashtra. I have to clarify here. I am not the convener of the MP. Although I clarified with you, you still mentioned it. No, you are a convener for us. No. I am not the convener. We have no convener for MP, for MSP Guarantee Kisan Morcha, which is the Farmers Front. We are only coordinators, and I am the coordinator for the biggest state, Uttar Pradesh, because I happened to be an MLA from there about 25 years ago, maybe more than that. When I was a youngster, as old as young, old or young, as many youngsters here. I was about 32 when I became MLA there. I'm a coordinator there, Raju Shetty is a coordinator in Maharashtra, and we have made two coordinators, Commander and Alphonse, coordinators for the whole Northeast. So your shoulders have the whole Northeast to deal with. And we are all one and united for the cause. And what is the cause? You've been hearing minimum support prices. Go to the market. Buy anything. The same vegetable. The ginger. Turmeric, the herbs, or tomatoes and potatoes, the vegetables, or you have papayas, or whatever. Whatever rate you sell at, and whatever rate is sold in the market to the retailers, to the consumers, is almost 5 times more than that.